So here is my friend from.
Bahrain.
And tell your name again.
Alan Fernandez.
And Alan, how is it to be back now in Medjugorje?
It's wonderful. It's peaceful. Very peaceful. Very, very peaceful. And I'm here for the second time in a span of 1 year. And it's really, really peaceful. In fact, this is my longest stay. I'm about 10 days here. And I'm enjoying it.
And what is so special?
Special is you go for mass, you go for confession, you go to the chapel, then you come here at 5:40 to visit to see the visions of the dancing sun. And yes, a little bit disappointed this time because of the rain that I couldn't go to the Cross Mountain and Apparition Hill, but definitely I will do it before going.
Maybe
200%.
It's lighting up
Yes,
now.
yes, 200%.
And what would you tell people why come to Medjugorje?
Two things. One is watch Tom's videos because he makes a way for you to come to Metigori. So in case if you watch his videos regularly, within I think a couple of videos you'll fall in love with Metigori and come there. And the second thing is what I have experienced. I want people to come here and experience. It's very, very unique. Whether it is the mass, whether it is the adoration chapel, and your whole day just passes only by going to church, going to adoration chapel, evening attending the evening services, and that's it. It's a beautiful feeling. You have to come here to experience it.
Why are you Catholic? You are originally from India, right?
I'm originally from India, from Goa, born and brought up in Bombay, but I was Catholic by birth, and our parents inculcated this saying that we had to say the rosaries, we had to go for Sunday Mass, and that is what I gave it to my children also, that yes, Sunday Mass is very important, rosary is very important. Each of them have their own rosaries, and they do say their rosaries. I make it a point to say that, to tell them that, and remind them that. And yes, prayer is the only way that you can go closer to God. Of course, through Mother Mary, because Mother Mary also says, I am only the way to Jesus. So if Mother Mary loves you so much, imagine how much Jesus would love you.
And her only role is for our Protestant friends. That's what you want to say. She is a special way to Jesus. That's her being. She just wants to lead. That's her whole being, no?
And I'll repeat the same thing that I repeated last time also in my video, that every human being is born from a mother, and you respect your mother the most. If you don't respect your mother, what is your existence in this world? That is what I would say. So mother is the way to everything, and a mother will never do anything to you to harm you or to do anything to you.
And why is the rosary so powerful? Why do you tell them?
Rosary, Tom, is the most powerful weapon that you have. You have multiple amount of people, or again what I call them, the fallen angels, who will come and try to bring all the obligations to you. And you just say the rosary, and you know you're at peace and your job is done, or you are in safe hands. Those 10 beads of the rosary are really like a protection chain, like an armor of God for you. And that is what our mother has told us, that say the rosary and you'll be doing two things. You'll be saving yourself from any untoward incident, and you'll be closer to God.
And what do you, Medjugorje is about confession. What do you tell people why confession is so important?
Confession is very important, because what happens with confession is people are scared that, oh, what will happen if I say my sins and if I go to the priest and what he'll say. But once you say, give out your sins, it is clean. And I'll tell you what the priest told me. Alan, this day, all your sins are forgiven. So from today onwards, don't repeat your sins again, and they are all done. And Jesus has one good quality. He listens to your sins and he forgets them. So that is more important. If he forgets them, then only thing is we should be very careful that we should not repeat those sins again. That is our responsibility to do it. Because I don't believe then what is the use of going to a confession? It's like washing a utensil, cooking something, again washing it, again. No. You have to make an firm resolution that you don't repeat your sins. Yes, it is difficult. I'm not saying it's easy, but it is possible.
Yes. Yes, and if you fall again, I fell again often and often, go again,
Go again.
and until you get the healing, because
Exactly. And I would say, as we all have cars, we take their cars for servicing. Why do we take it? So that it runs better. Confession is exactly that. So you go and you confess at least once in a month. You are a happy man.
exactly, and tell, a lot of people don't understand Eucharist. What is the Eucharist?
Oh, Eucharist is divine. You can spend time at looking at the small bread of Jesus, which is there, present there. You directly go, you don't say any praise, you just look at him and talk to him. Open your heart out, he's listening to you. That's it. You just tell him whatever you want, whichever language you want, whichever means you want, and how long you want. If you can, that is just like, as you talk to a friend, you just talk to a friend and you just confess your sins.
And how is it in India? In Europe, a lot of people think God the Father is an angry old man with a white beard. He wants to judge us and put to hell, and then he is happy. Is that in your education as well? A lot of people in Europe think that on America. How is God the Father really explained?
It all comes down to how you're brought up, Tom. Like when in India, when we are brought up, it is still the culture that yes, God the Father is the solution provider, or He will help you or heal you and whatever. So yes, in some part of the world, there are again the fallen angels who want somehow that what do you call it, the charisma and the glory of God, not to give it to him. So then they try to divert the attentions, and they try to divert people's attention by psyching their brains or poisoning their minds. But we should be firm in our hope. Once our hope is firm, then it's like a big tree. If the roots are strong, then nobody can stop you.
Why are you so passionate about Christ, Our Lady in Medjugorje?
It's just that there are many things in my life that have happened that have brought me closer, and I could do it only with Christ. I couldn't do it with anybody else. So that's it. It is my one-stop solution for everything.
So if there are problems, what do you tell people? A lot of people have challenges in their life.
Challenges are there because even Jesus Christ didn't go through an easy way. Even he had to die on the cross for us. It was not very easy for him also. So he has shown us the path that yes, with sufferings you will achieve what you want. But suffering is part of our life. It cannot be a bed of roses. Suffering is part of our life, and it also helps us to come closer to God.
And did you make the experience when you live in intention, thy will be done in my life, that you're more happy, joyful, peaceful?
Exactly. You just leave it to God. What you do is just surrender yourself to God, and he takes care of everything, because you only know what is yesterday and today. You don't know what is tomorrow, and he knows what is tomorrow and the future. Tomorrow God may say, okay, your time is up, you can go up. But it is only he knows what is tomorrow. So you should live for today and leave the rest with God's hand for tomorrow.
And at the end, what would you tell people? Why come to Medjugorje?
Medjugorje, I have decided to come almost every year now.
Why?
Why? Because that is the passion that I've got for Medjugorje. I was just telling my wife just some hours back, I think we'll come back again. And I don't know when I'm going to stop. It is not going to happen again. I'm going to come on a regular basis because it just gives you that feeling that when you come here. 100% you have to come here to experience it.
The living God
The
who
living
loves us, the joy, the peace.
100%, Tom.
That package of the Catholic faith is beautiful.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tom, and you have a blessed day. And